Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany. Today I wanted to do a really quick tutorial on this look. It's very bright, very glittery, it's very different. I really don't do a lot of looks like this, but I've been having this image in my mind of this look and I just wanted to hurry up and make a video on it just to see what it looks like in reality. And it turned out really pretty. I'm also using really affordable products today as well. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I already did this eye. So I'm just going to show you how I did this side because last video I did, it was way too long to do both sides, and then I ended up cutting a lot of footage out just to shorten the video up, and I felt like it just was too rushed. So okay, so today I'm going to be using the Blow Me Away palette by ColourPop. I'm not sure if they have this palette on their website still, but you can always just use colors that are similar to the ones I'm using today and it'll work out too. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start out with my transition shade. I'm going to be using this color right here. And I already did, I primed my lids with some concealer. Take that a little bit higher than the crease and then down. I really want to make sure I darken this crease up because the colors I'm using are somewhat similar and I want my eyes to be defined. For the lid, I'm going to use this shade right here, but I am going to wet my brush first because this shadow has a tendency to have some fallout. So I'm going to be using my NYX setting spray. Okay, I'm also going to put that same color on the bottom lid here, but I'm using a smaller brush. Okay, I'm gonna wet this too because I don't want a bunch of coral bright colors all over. And I'm gonna take this across the whole lid, the whole bottom lid. I'm also going to take this color now, the darker color, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner, the outer part of my bottom lid. Also going to take a little bit more and define the crease again. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend out this bottom part here because I don't want it to look too harsh since we are using very bright colors. And blend this top part out. Now I'm gonna take this color right here and put that on my brow bone. And just blend that out with my finger. Alright, so for the inner corners, I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer. put some on the back of my hand. I'm going to use my pinky finger and just pick up a little bit of that primer and pop that in the corner. Okay, so for the glitter, I'm going to be using my Hard Candy Pop-In Pigments. And this is in the color King Me. Okay. I'm going to use a very, very small brush for this, and I'm going to wet it with my setting spray. I did put some glitter in the cap already. Take very little, tap off the excess, and put that in the corner. I'm going to go out a little bit and just dust a little bit out into the bottom of my bottom lid, and a little bit, just sprinkle a little bit onto the top lid. I think I got enough there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my liner and my mascara and my lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I'm back. So I went ahead and did my liner and my mascara and some double wispies, some Ardell double wispies. Okay, I did forget to mention that I put some ColourPop highlighter in the color Lunch Money on my brow bones here and here. So I'm going to go ahead and warm up my face a little bit. I'm going to use some Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Light. I'm just going to take my e.l.f. Kabuki brush. Okay, for contour, I am using Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. This is the highlight and contour palette and matte sculpting. I'm taking my e.l.f. contour brush. And take the rest on the side of my nose. Okay, now for highlight, I'm going to be using ColourPop highlight in Flexitarian. I'm just going to use my damp beauty blender for this. I usually like to do a more sparkly highlighter, but since we were using glitter, I really wanted the glitter in my eyes to be the main focus of the look, so I didn't add any of my usual glittery highlighter. Okay. going to do some blushing on. Yeah, let's do a little bit of blush. Okay, so I'm going to be using the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in the color Holiday. I'm going to take my angled brush, just take a little bit. I really don't want a lot. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to be using ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the color I Love This. There's all these things, they don't stay clean. There's just makeup all over this. And just fill it in the same color. I should have used some chapstick under this. My lips are like super dry. Winter is like wreaking havoc on my skin right now. My hands and my lips constantly dry. Wow, that lipstick looks really good with this look. Normally I don't do all matte eyeshadow looks like this and lips, so this is something new. I like it though. Okay, and to set it all off, I'm going to use my NYX matte finish. Okay guys, this is the finished look. If you guys like this video, make sure you give me a like before you leave. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.